With the pack I'm about to show you, you can create eye-catching transitions and cinematic effects in just seconds. All you need to do is add an 8-frame adjustment layer, and Phantom Pack takes care of the rest. To make your workflow even faster, I recommend placing a marker at the center of each adjustment layer. That way, you can easily line it up with your cuts and keep everything perfectly synced. The best part? Every effect is completely drag and drop. No complicated setup, no confusing controls, and absolutely no third-party plugins required. Simply drop the preset onto your adjustment layer, and you're ready to go. Phantom Pack was designed to speed up your editing process without sacrificing quality. Instead of spending hours building transitions from scratch, you can achieve professional, high-end results in just a few clicks.